Avocado oil. It's everywhere these days. And for good reason. This golden green elixir has taken the culinary and wellness world by storm. From the kitchens of top chefs to the pantries of health enthusiasts, avocado oil is making its mark. This oil, made from creamy avocados, is not just for fancy salads anymore. It's versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from sautéing vegetables to baking delicious treats. Folks use it for cooking, drizzling, and even skincare. Its high smoke point makes it perfect for frying, while its smooth texture is ideal for dressings and marinades. And let's not forget its moisturizing properties for the skin. Why? It's packed with good fats that are good for your heart and body. These monounsaturated fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Avocado oil is full of vitamins like E and A. These vitamins are antioxidants. They play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and they also boost the immune system. They help protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. Plus, this oil can help your body absorb other nutrients better. When you consume avocado oil with other nutrient-rich foods, it enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. That means you get more out of your healthy food. So, whether you're cooking up a storm, dressing a salad, or nourishing your skin, avocado oil is a versatile and beneficial addition to your daily routine. Before we get to the oil, we need avocados. Avocado trees are picky. They like warm weather and just the right amount of rain. Most avocado oil comes from Hass avocados. These are the bumpy ones you find in the store. Farmers check the avocados carefully. They want the fruit to be perfectly ripe. Not too hard, not too soft, just right. Once picked, the avocados begin their journey to becoming oil. First things first. Cleaning. The journey of extracting the precious emerald essence from avocados begins with a thorough cleaning process. The avocados get a good wash to remove any dirt or debris. This step is crucial to ensure that the final product is pure and free from any contaminants. Then, it's time to say goodbye to the pit. The avocados are carefully sliced in half, revealing the large seed nestled inside. Machines separate the avocado flesh from the large seed in the center. This automated process ensures efficiency and precision, making sure every bit of the creamy flesh is collected. The pit isn't wasted, though. It can be used for other things. These seeds are often repurposed for various uses, including in the production of avocado oil, or even as a natural dye. Next up, the avocado flesh is mashed into a paste. This creamy mixture is the base for extracting the valuable oil. This paste goes into a machine that spins really fast. The centrifuge uses high-speed rotation to separate the different components of the avocado paste. The spinning separates the oil from the rest of the avocado. This process ensures that the oil extracted is pure and of the highest quality. This oil is the good stuff. Rich in nutrients and perfect for culinary and cosmetic uses, this emerald essence is the result of a meticulous extraction process. Polishing the gem. Filtering and bottling. Freshly extracted avocado oil is a bit cloudy. To make it clear and beautiful, it goes through a filtering process. This removes any tiny bits of fruit or sediment. Some avocado oil is also refined. This helps it last longer and handle higher cooking temperatures. Finally, the oil is bottled. Clear glass or dark green bottles help protect the oil from sunlight. Now it's ready to head to your kitchen. Liquid gold, a health-boosting treat. From the avocado orchard to your kitchen, making avocado oil is a fascinating journey. It all starts in the lush green orchards where avocados grow under the warm sun. These orchards are carefully tended to ensure the best quality fruit. Workers hand-pick each avocado, selecting only the ripest and most perfect ones for oil extraction. It takes time, care, and precision to extract the liquid gold from those green gems. The avocados are then transported to a processing facility, where they are meticulously cleaned and prepared. The process of pressing the avocados to extract the oil is done with great care to preserve the nutrients and flavor, but the result is worth it. The rich green oil that emerges is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Each bottle of avocado oil is a testament to the hard work and dedication that goes into its production. Avocado oil is not just delicious, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. It's rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Whether you're drizzling it over a fresh salad or using it in your cooking, avocado oil enhances the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. It's good for your heart, your skin, and your overall health. The benefits of avocado oil extend beyond the kitchen. It's also a fantastic moisturizer for your skin, providing hydration and nourishment. Incorporating avocado oil into your daily routine can lead to a healthier lifestyle. So, next time you reach for that bottle of avocado oil, remember the journey it took and enjoy the taste of health. Appreciate the care and effort that went into creating this health-boosting treat, and savor every drop of its goodness. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.